All right. Road tripping episode 2. Not 1, but 2. Cue the intro.
Hey, Pat. Hey, Joe.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Buckle up, boys and girls. Cause Pappy's driving.
Buckle up, camera.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
Oh, so where we headed, Pat?
Well, you know, I don't know. Now, when you get in the car with Pappy and Junior, you're taking a road trip.
You know your first stop.
Well, yeah, we gotta get something to eat, but I mean, you're tripping with Pappy and Junior. No matter where you're going. If we just don't worry about that bell.
Oh, buddy, you talking about who don't charge their battery night before road trip? Who don't put gas in the car?
Well, buddy, it's part of the
Road tripping.
Yeah, it's part of the road tripping. People get gas when they go road tripping. I mean, I meant to get some. we got enough to get Mickey D's or wherever we going.
Setting up cameras over here.
Oh, you setting our cameras up? My camera's already setting up. That's what you're looking at. Sing us a little on the road again.
Hey, make a face.
Hey!
Oh, all right. Cue Junior's music here. That was all serious, being hard to get along with. You know how women are early in the morning.
Yeah, well. How much is this gas? You got gas here the other day. How much is it?
It was $2.19 of it.
Oh, $2.19. I believe we got enough to make it to the next.
On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been.
All right. Oh.
On the road again.
Like a band of gypsies, we go down the
Highway. So, Mickey D's. Y'all right, Mickey D's? That's the place new we found.
Mickey D's nuts.
Check these out.
These nuts wasn't a popular thing back when I started to check these out.
What are we doing? These nuts was around when I was little.
Not these nuts.
Well, no, but these nuts, I mean. Yeah, well.
I think it was more implied to when I was coming up, because
These, buddy.
well,
How many you got?
Well, not these nuts, but I remember working at a the meat factory, and
Yeah, I heard
there was
about
this
that.
really violent.
He looked better in his younger days.
There was this really violent, like gangster-like guy working with us out there, so everybody was kind of scared of him. And one day he was driving a forklift, and I said, "I know you can drive that." And he said, "Drive what?" And I said, "Drive this." And I ran, but I chanced it, and I think he laughed later on in life. The dad's funeral or something.
What's the guy to do with these? This and these are two different.
Well, right, but I would have said, well, I guess, yeah, I wouldn't have said I didn't know you could drive these nuts. but
But they always been nuts. These. That's
maybe
these are two.
But that's just kind of like you never heard of carpet or yeah, I guess it was carpet we were talking about last week. You'd never heard of that. I'd never heard of these nuts till later on in life.
Yeah, I don't have a drink. That's all I'm saying.
And by the time I heard of them, I was getting them took away.
Yeah, well, there goes a jogger. Some fool out jogging. I mean, well, it says 41 degrees, but when I come to pick June up, it said 37 degrees.
I'm wearing short sleeves. I ain't working.
Yeah. Me neither.
Man up.
My heat just came on, but
Yeah, I was wondering when you heard
man up these.
nuts. Should have a D's nuts
Well, we could
counter.
go like check these nuts out.
Yeah.
On YouTube.
Dig the thumbnail. That's a red light in every country I've ever heard of.
Yeah, well, it's slowing down a little bit. She's turning. No. I hate the thing I looked at rough when I was 30.
Yeah, I've seen pictures.
Think better
This is an upgrade.
Yeah.
He had an afro. The man had an afro. Can you believe this guy's lost all his hair? Slick bald there. He didn't have long hair or a normal haircut back then. He had an afro, which was a normal haircut back then.
You can't help what you're born with.
You weren't born with an afro. That wasn't an afro. That was your mama.
Yeah, buddy.
Hey, bleep that.
When I slid out there, boom, that hair popped out like
yeah, I bet it did.
What's up?
I bet it did. The doctor had to shave. Oh,
like big fun.
Leaving that in. God rest your soul, buddy. I love you.
Yeah, you know, nobody else sees it. Neither.
Hey, yeah, there was a daddy joke made last week.
You made it? Oh man, when did he get a big Ronald?
Hey, I had this big. I was born with this big Ronald.
There you go.
We'll show you guys on the other camera.
Wave at him.
There's
Hey Ronald.
Ronald. Hey Ronald.
Check these out.
Hey, where'd they go? I wish I could see shoes. I'd say, what are those?
Or we walk in and there's half the balloons down there. Big feet in there. Punch him in the butt and he goes shh. He lets air out.
I'd have to run outside to see if we can get him wiggle up top. What'd you order, Pat? 2 salads.
Ooh, 2 salads. Breakfast salads.
Breakfast salad. Got sausage in it. Sausage gravy. Biscuit. Yeah. But we're gonna sit down and eat. Look, they're hard working.
Look. Can I get one of those? Oh, that one.
What are those? What's up with this?
We're sitting in the kitty section.
Wow, they've really redone stuff.
Which way's gas, buddy? Which way's Winston? We'll have to go to 640. Yeah, okay.
You said 60 something. I don't even know.
No, it's a one-way street.
That ain't gotta be, Pat.
You hear my light. You hear my light.
Jump to medium.
I mean, the man who made one-way streets was stupid.
He had a one-way mind.
You gotta go one way
track
and then turn somewhere and go back one way and then turn to get where you going.
He can only think one way.
Oh, I mean, what's the deal with one way? There's room. I mean, we're going.
What's the deal with one way?
Yeah. Well, I mean, all you gotta do is make a little cut in that median. We could have went across.
We're already being compared to Seinfeld there.
Yeah, well, I must be stopped.
What is I can't think of Alex something's his real name.
What,
Alexander.
chubby glass?
Yeah, what was his name?
Guy?
George Costanza. Yeah, you gotta be George, buddy. You got the head for it.
Constanza.
And I look like Seinfeld and Kramer's love child.
Yeah, well.
And a homeless guy peed on it. That'd be me. I seen a homeless guy yesterday, and this big sign, homeless, whatever, on it. And his buddy, homeless I presume, walks up behind him and he says, "Hey Rick," and he has this little piece of cardboard, and he holds it up behind him like making fun of him.
Yeah.
Like, who knew that homeless people do ribs on each other like that? Like, that's awful. Homeless, starving. Look at him, look.
I seen 2 yesterday too, and they looked homeless. I mean, they look like weather beaten. You know, how do you get that wrinkly leather suntan?
Yeah,
or whatever.
They're probably homeless. Yeah.
Anyway, one was sitting down with his head down, while the other one was standing there with a big sign. And these 2 guys was walking down the sidewalk there on High Point Road, walking there, and they set down a pizza box, you know, gave a little fist bump, and they walked off, and the guy opened the box. To me, it looked empty. I mean, I didn't see no pizza, so they could have had like 2 slices over it or something.
That'd be really messed up.
He opened it and closed it back, and he didn't tell his buddy or nothing. I'd have been back there. You'd have turned around. They only gave us 1 piece.
Well, yeah, if I was homeless, he handed it to me.
Yeah. And then when they hand you the $10 bill out the window, you got, hey, they handed that to me. Oh, there's some gas.
Said they only gave us one piece, get another pizza. Sucks for you. Snapple, if you're out there. Please sponsor these videos. I love you. I buy this every time I go to the store.
Well, yeah, I love you too. Nah, I mean, to me, it's like, I mean, I know they make different flavors.
Well, this
but
is
it's
tea
like,
and peach.
I don't like tea and I don't like peach, but I compare it to apple juice, and I don't like apple juice. So there ain't a whole lot for Snapple.
He don't always talk about Snapple.
Snap on the apple. Oh yeah, it's fun.
Look how good this commercial would look with this guy's face.
Yeah.
It's brand new. Oh, I'm staying. What am I doing? I'm about to get out with
Yeah,
you.
man, pump me.
Hey. It's not on camera.
Some gas.
Nobody knows the trouble I've seen.
A Sheets card?
I might.
What does it do for you?
It takes 3 cents off your gas. But I don't think I got a full size one.
A full size one?
Like you can slide.
What we talking about now?
You can slide them in the, yeah, dude.
I've heard you could do that.
Slide that in there, buddy. Ow! You needed a Sheets card. 3 cents off your gas at Sheets. Sheets, please sponsor us. We love you, Sheets. The only place we get gas. How about last road tripping video? We stopped at the Sheets to use the bathroom. They have great facilities. And they're only $2.15. $2.15 for gas right now. Seen it cheaper, but not with the other cool stuff they have. 15, 40, 30, 12. So it'd be $2.12 actually. We'll see. Let's see if I can get an angle.
There he is, looking all silly. I don't know, y'all looking at me, I figured you could look at him.
He did the wiggle and the jiggle. You can't wiggle the gas pump more than 3 times or they say you're playing with it. I don't know. He did it 4 times.
It's cold out there. Look, buddy, what, the dog chew this thing?
Nah,
I never got that in there.
Broke into a many of doors with that thing.
Yeah, well, I like to not been able to broke in the sheets with it.
Used to get locked out of the shop all the time, and I'd use it.
That's what we call keys. They make keys.
Sheets, the only place we stop for gas.
And drink apples, sapple, or Snapple. Well, whatever, buddy, Slapple.
You can get your Snapple at the Sheets, I think.
Yeah, probably can.
Made with green and black tea. Snapple is.
Who knows they got colored teas? Green and black tea.
Colored D's. I knew a guy.
White. You ain't colored teas. That's paintbrush tickles. Oh,
yeah. I've heard. Oh boy. On the highway.
Oh, Rogie.
Oh, play it,
It's
buddy.
like 2 dummies on the... I smell gas and it ain't the one I was bumping.
Smell.
It ain't the one I was bumping. Lucky I ain't got a drink, but I felt a little coming on.
See, should have had a snap.
I mean, it'd be good for a while. Look, bud, get yourself some new material. Anyway, as I was saying before I was so interrupted.
So they always put under Snapple, under their lids, they always put real facts. Thought I'd read one. Of course, this is really short and odd, but real fact number 733.
Okay.
All scorpions glow. You know that?
Oh, no.
Yeah.
I had to think for a minute what the scorpion was.
And I had one yesterday.
A scorpion?
No, a snap.
No.
I had one yesterday that said that in so many billion years, the sun will burn as bright as it possibly can. Man, I forget what it said. I don't guess it's going to like blow up or nothing, but I would say if people still on Earth in so many billion years, however many it was,
Well,
they're going to be in rough shape.
They gonna be,
Well, if you're still here,
they gonna be the behind rut shape. What's that? Their
I was
butt's
gonna say
be-
bad.
Oh.
I'm changing
Behind rut shape.
It's gonna be a butthole shape.
Yeah.
They will be in the shape of buttholes to get out in that sun.
Well, I mean, I don't even understand how they supposed to even think they know a billion years from now.
Well, there you have science.
Anything
Scientists
can
and
happen in a
NASA.
billion years. Billion years.
I guess they do it
Wish I
by.
was a billionaire.
I guess they do it by 100 years ago. The sun was burning X amount bright.
Well,
And then 10 years.
How'd they get a thermostat on the sun?
No,
100
but they
years
had,
ago?
they had NASA back then, or scientists. back
100
then.
years ago?
I don't know, maybe.
They had that guy who did the stars maps or whatever his name was. Galileo
When was
or
NASA
something.
created?
Oh, NASA.
Let me check on that. The answer
1958.
1958. That is not 100
So
years
let's
ago.
just use 1958. I guess 1958, which by the way was a good year. It's the year my father was born in.
59 was a better year.
But 1958 it was burning X amount of bright. 68 it was burning this much more. 78.
NASA come in.
So-
NASA come in 58. Let's see how bright the sun shines.
Well, yeah, that's
Nah, buddy. NASA,
that's
they
their
flew to
job.
the
They're
moon.
NASA.
They went to the moon, not to the sun. There's the sun and the moon.
I think the audience will agree with me here
I think not.
that there's a way to measure the brightness of the sun, and somebody's done it over a
But-
certain amount of time. They can tell.
Not
How
NASA
much
in
brighter?
1958.
Well,
And
I
then
used
you
it
said
as- I used-
then you said 100 years ago.
I use it as an example. There were scientists 100 years ago.
Yeah, Galileo. I don't know if it was science. That's the only name popped in my head.
There was a Wikipedia page about this.
Wikipedia. That's a Wikipedia there, buddy. Yeah, I've been calling that a
The
Wikipedia.
apparent magnitude of celestial object is measure of its brightness as seen by the observer on Earth, adjusted to the value it would have in the absence of the atmosphere. The brighter.
There's an exit here.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
I choose this way. Look, buddy, you're supposed to
That-
help
that
me.
was-
Oh, blue light, blue light.
Is it?
Nah,
Oh,
buddy.
that'd be great.
Yeah, we got that on film.
The
We
bright-
didn't die last week, but we got them getting a ticket this week.
The brighter an
Okay.
object appears, the lower its magnitude value,
It's still
i.e., inverse relation.
It's telling
In
how to
addition,
do it, not who done
the
it.
magnitude scale is, well, don't matter who did it, somebody's doing it.
Well, no, but they might have figured that out last week. We're
No,
talking 100
buddy.
years ago.
Well, if they figured out last week, Snap was pretty amazing because
Well, here, you tell
they
me
put a
great.
new lid out just last week and got it to me. Either way,
Either way.
4 hours later, I'm going to tell you, if you're still kicking it in 70 billion years or whatever they said, you're probably going to die.
It's gonna be hot.
It's going to be a hot
It's gonna be a
time.
hot time in the old world tonight.
Not tonight. So many billion.
Well, a billion years night. Long what's this?
If y'all are watching this 70 billion years from now,
Yeah, then we
Get
made
your
us
son-
some money.
get you some sunscreen.
I wonder how many views we have in 7 billion years. About 20? 20 million, 20 million.
They got smart cars now with Wi-Fi in them and stuff.
They still trying to work on smart people. They still lacking a lot of them. Rolling down the highway. What's it? Keep that motor running.
Get your motors running.
No, you get your motors running. I ain't got one motor.
Get out on the highway. Looking for adventure. Whatever comes my way.
I'm a silent singer.
Am I gonna make it happen?
All right, that's good. That's good. That's good.
Born to be wild. Something like that.
Yeah. I used to have my little road trip in the CDs, and I put a lot of that on there. Whatever it was, 70s, 80s, loud, and could roll down my window and let my hair blow to the
And
wind.
even when you had hair again, it was an afro.
Well, no, it
Big
ain't.
ball.
That's a like a saying, buddy. Bald-headed man can say hair blowing through the wind.
When'd you go bald? You had hair
Once
through
you
the
go
70s.
bald, you
So you were born in
can't go back.
59.
Yeah.
You had the fro. The time you could grow your hair, I guess.
Yeah, well, yeah. I got a baby picture. Got a fro. I mean, like 2 years. I'm bow-legged squatting with with the diaper on.
Yeah, I think I've seen that.
Yeah, so anyway, now I started going bald when I was like 20, 21. I mean, not going bald, but receding.
So late 70s. Early 80s.
Yeah, 78, something like that. I was going bald. And I didn't go bald though until like 5 years now. I've been at where I'm at 2 years, about 3 or 4 or 5 years ago. I decided to shave it off. What?
His sense of time. I've been in the picture for 9 to 10 years.
I had to have
Now
hair.
you had hair. You had your hair.
Okay.
Maybe the first week I met you.
Oh.
No kidding. You shaved your head. I think I've seen you one time in person with the hair and the beard, and then the next time I seen you, you were bald with a goatee. True story.
You was doing drugs. It ain't been over 5 years.
Yeah, 100% been over 5 years.
No.
Presley's 7.
Yeah, what about it?
You've been bald since Presley was born. I got pictures of you holding Presley bald headed. Yeah.
Dude, Presley was bald headed.
It's been.
I've been where I'm at 2 years.
What do you mean 2 years? Yeah. You've been bald the whole time you've been there.
Well, yeah, but I did it at the other job, but I'm sure I wasn't over 3 years at my last job.
Pat, you've been bald since my first child was born.
Yeah, well,
And a good ways before that. I gotta find a picture of you holding my freaking kid.
who got pictures on their phone 10 years old?
I do.
You need
7 years
you
old.
need
No,
to-
I have pictures.
Need to get rid of some of them. Get some new ones.
Anyway, you've been bald.
Yeah. Well, anyway, what was the point of the?
I don't know. I think it all started with your hair blowing in the wind.
Once it starts receding, then you cut it like a quarter of an inch short, so you can't
Blow
tell
fro.
as much.
You can't have a blow fro.
Blow. Yeah.
I'm looking for a GoPro right now, Chris.
Yeah. Let me see. Oh. I ain't doing nothing. I'm just reaching for my phone. I'm trying to pull it out. But it was under the seatbelt in my pocket. Let's see what we can see. Y'all let me know if I cross lanes.
We're both looking at our phones.
Yeah, well, better be cross lanes than cross dressers. Oh, I didn't mean to tell you your secret though. Oh, I got one in there.
Oh, what? Hey. I didn't feel a thing.
There's South Creek. Ain't we supposed no, we get off of Peters Creek.
He gets off on Peters. I don't know.
No, Peters Creek.
Speak for yourself.
No, buddy,
Yeah.
Well, you know.
You guys see that?
Scooter over one time, buddy. Scooter, not scoot the camera over, scoot the picture over.
Oh.
No,
Yeah, there's the one he was talking about squatting with his diaper on.
I'm squatting with a
That
diaper.
last week.
That's a real diaper too, people. That is cloth diaper.
There's a...
That one with no diaper. That was last week too. Yeah,
That's rough.
You'll be changing them things in a couple more years. Throwing them big things up.
Smells like I need to change one now.
Yeah, well, you might need to change one. But not mine.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Well, I almost missed my turn and there ain't but one vehicle in the parking lot, so I'm pretty sure they're closed.
Wouldn't that be a trip? A road trip.
Big tripping.
Well, maybe it's just really early.
Well, no, it's Sunday.
Are they closed on Sundays?
No, they're open, but they probably don't open at 9, 10.
What time is
Well,
it? It's 9:49.
Okay, 11, 12.
Let's see. I'll run up and look at the sign.
Why they gotta put the sign way over yonder somewhere?
I don't know, but it'll give me a chance to run with this.
Oh, well, probably walk, buddy. Probably walk with that.
Oh, but I
don't
full
see.
sprint.
Yeah, you're full of it. I feel like taking a leak. You think he would notice if we changed? Look how dark that is. I think a little light color wouldn't hurt nothing, you know what I mean? Let me take a swallow of Snapple now. Good, shake her up. And we're good to go. Y'all be quiet now.
All right, listen.
Yeah.
Listen, guys.
How about it?
If you enjoyed the, it's good, right? Okay. If you enjoyed this, check us out up in the bubble section over there, upside Pap's head.
Yeah.
That would be our personal channels.
Personal.
Down in the description is a link to all social media. We're talking Twitter, Instagram. We're on there. Follow us.
We're gonna get a Periscope.
I guess we should.
Get a Periscope.
Periscope. It's gonna be the same. Same one. Links in description. So is that it? That should be it. If you like this and you hadn't seen the original, this is part 2.
How about a Yahoo Messenger? Okay.
Also in the bubble section, other side of Pap's head.
Bubble.
You guys can check out our last episode of Road Tripping. And what, next Monday? Next Monday you'll get a new episode.
Next Monday.
There's a lady staring at us.
Yeah, well. She looking good.
She's looking rough. All right. That's it, Pat.
Yeah, that's it.
If you want to follow Pap on Yahoo Messenger, hey, whatever.
I'll text you the link.
Yeah, let us know in the comment.
Yeah.
And we'll go from there. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more content. Subscribe button's also across Pap's boobs.
Yeah.
And we'll see you guys next time. Hey, boo-boo.